Alrighty, so we're here again. Oh, wait, this time it's oh
Oh
wait,
wait, no,
that's
that should be better.
that
That
should
should
be
be
way
way
better.
better.
Okay.
Okay, so all right. So first of all, con I need to make sure the table of content good. All right. Hopefully this time it works. They're trying to try. So the first thing we're going to do is come to vertical line test. I haven't did the latex on it last time. I did latex. Good on me. So here's a latex version over here. So in a 2D Cartesian plane, this is what I wrote, where the equation is an input of x and output y in the standard Cartesian, which means this is y and this is x. You can change the Cartesian plane to whatever I mean, to a polar plane, but for a Cartesian plane, a way to find if a equation is a function is drawing a line. Is drawing a line. What's my grammar on? It's drawing line. It's lines. Um, what? It's drawing lines. What the hell? What did I type here? Parallel to the y-axis. Uh, this is why I don't do it late at night. Uh, that can cut the 2D axis anywhere. And if it hits the equation in more than one spot, then it is not a function. In other words, for every x file, there is at most a single corresponding point to the graph. Okay, so I can see this one, it hits here, 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 here. So if you see those little stubs, is little circles, you can barely see them, but they're they're painful to do in latex. I figured out it's just intersection, but whatever, it's a little painful. But I got it running in the end. And then the other one is a horizontal line test, the other variant, which is when you have the y as our input and x as the output. I recommend you just flip this 90 degrees and there, just use a vertical line test. But I do need to explain that to you guys that that could possibly be necessary. Um, but yeah, that's all I did over here. The well, I also changed this to finally making sense. This is actually a fun question. The reason why you can make this into a trick question if you want. But anyways, basically what I'm saying, I wouldn't recommend this. That's why I put it up here because I thought, what an interesting trick question you could easily make up. Um, if you put an absolute value over here and you get the original function, assuming everything is continuous and the domain is in. Oh yeah, it wouldn't work. I take it back. This question is awful. Um, yeah, I need to. I forgot something here. If you caught it, good job on you. You're better than me. Um, assuming F. Let me just uh copy this. Oh, I didn't even do it the right way. Usually I make it this one because it allows you to do more, but uh, is R in domain. R means everywhere, so you should. I use that multiple times in the past, so it should be fine for me to put up here and not get you guys hung over. Now, if that is true, R means again my notation is infinity to infinity, as we said multiple times. I don't see it as trouble. I'm pretty sure. But if you, remember, everyone learns at their own pace. If I got something wrong, please email me. Anyway, this is the most important part. Everyone learns at their own, So If you don't understand that, that's completely okay. And now realizing my own hypocritical oath, I probably should if I have space. If I don't have space and it drags off, I'm not doing it. But if I have, it does drag off. Oh, but let's see if oh, it doesn't go off the page. Okay. This has enough room. Does it? Yeah. It has enough room. Yeah. Okay, we can leave it in. I was worried for a second. In domain. Um, do I need to write it for both of them? No, one of them is good enough, right? I'll read it for both. I'll just make this a little smaller. Oh no, not the whole thing. Just this part because well if you can imply that this is the same thing. Yeah, and then I'm telling myself I should just copy and paste because why not? It's not that bad, right? Yeah. So that's what I'm telling myself.